Hi everyone and welcome back into my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use this amazing emulator, so please stay with me until the end of this video. I will show you the first part of this tutorial. Let's go guys. You should write the name at the search bar. Perfect, here it is, tap right here. All you have to do is to tap right here again. If you're using Android, everything will be automatically. In iOS, you have to do something that I will show you guys. But more important for me is to give a feedback about this tutorial. If you're enjoying or if you have something to say, comment below, write me in the chat box. Also, you can mail me. At 100% we will go at the settings, guys. Okay, just wait 2 seconds more. After that, we should go at the settings. So you see this one, profile downloaded, pop it. Tap right here, guys. All you have to do is to tap right here again, next, tap again, and done. Let's see guys. Okay, perfect, everything goes just fine, so now let's enjoy the first part of this tutorial, how to use this amazing app. Let's start now guys. Let's see if everything is okay and enjoy the first part of this tutorial. Perfect guys, it's starting now. We should go one of these games, let's select this for example. Okay guys, everything is working just fine. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like, and I'll do a second video how to use this amazing emulator. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.